Good morning, students. You already learned the theorem 2.6 means the areas of any two similar triangles. The ratio of areas of any two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding side square of the corresponding sides. You already learned that theorem and you already solved one example also. Now I'll teach the second example on this. See what are they given? See here. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD. You draw one trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Diagonals means AC and BD. AC and BD. Two diagonals intersect at a point O and they are given AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. And again they are given AB equal to 2CD. They are given AB equal to 2CD. So you have to find out the ratio of areas of angle means AOB, area of triangle AOB, area of triangle COD equal to how much? You have to find out the ratio of AOB and COD. The areas of a triangle, you must find out this. How? It is very easy. They only given AB equal to 2CD. AB equal to 2CD. So, in triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and COD. Angle BAO equal to angle DCO. DC. Which angles these are? Alternating angles. These are alternate angles. How? These two parallel lines. These two parallel lines. So, these are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Then angle ABO equal to angle ABO equal to angle CDO. Angle CDO. These also alternate angles. These also alternate angles. And angle AOB equal to angle COD. Angle these two are equal. These are also equal. Why these angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD because of AA criteria. Because of AA criteria means angle criteria. You already learned that theorem. When these two triangles are similar, therefore area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD equal to AB square divided by CD square. AB square divided by because of by theorem. You already learned 2.6 6 theorem. So now they only given AB equal to 2CD. They only given AB equal. Instead of AB, I'll write 2CD whole square divided by CD square. Because of they only given AB equal to 2CD. They only given here AB equal to 2CD they given. So you substitute the value AB equal to 2CD. 2CD whole square. 2CD whole square is equal to 4CD square divided by CD square. CD square get cancelled. What remaining here? 4 upon 1. Therefore, ratio of area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD equal to, what is the ratio? 4:1. What is the ratio of these two angles? Triangles, area of these two triangles? 4 upon 1. How to write? Hence, area of triangle AOB is to area of triangle COD equal to 4:1. You proved now? What is the ratio of these two triangles? You proved now? Understood, students? So shall I go to next problem? So you prepare these problems at home 1 or 2 or 3 times at a home. Okay? Now second example, third example. In the figure, ABC and DBC are standing on the same base BC. Standing on the same base BC. And if AD diagonal intersects at O, then you show that an area of ABC, the ratio of area of triangle ABC, area of DBC equal to AO upon DO. You prove this. How can? So it is very easy. What are they given? Given, and to prove all you only write. So I'll do direct process, means proof. And what are they given? Given means, so ABC and DBC standing on the same base, and AD intersect BC at O. This they are given. What can you prove? Prove here. You can prove, to prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC equal to AO upon DO. AO upon DO. Some construction. What is that construction? Construction. Draw AP perpendicular to BC and DQ perpendicular to BC. AP perpendicular to BC and DQ perpendicular to BC. This is the construction. How can you prove? So, observe here. In a triangle, prove. In a triangle APO, in triangle APO and triangle DQO, in these two triangles, angle APO equal to angle DQO. Angle APO equal to angle DQO equal to 90 degree. How? It is by construction. By construction. It is by construction. And angle AOP equal to angle DOQ. Why? This angle and this angle. Why these two angles are equal? Because of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle APO is similar to triangle DQO. APO and DQO, these two triangles are similar because of AA criteria. Because of AA criteria. When these two triangles are similar, therefore AP upon DQ equal to AO upon DO. AO upon DO. Because of AA criteria. Because of AA criteria theorem. Because of by theorem, AP upon DQ is equal to AO upon DO. Understood now? So, then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC. Area of triangle ABC divided by area means ratio is equal to 1 upon 2. Base means BC. Base means BC. Into height means AP. Height means AP. Divided by 1 upon 2. Here also in DBC, base is BC. Base is BC. Into height means DQ. Height means DQ. So half get cancelled. BC get cancelled. So AP divided by DQ. AP divided by DQ. So from 1, observe here. AP upon DQ is equal to AO upon DO. You only prove. Instead of this, I'll write AO upon DO. From 1. From 1, you only proved here. AP upon DQ is equal to AO upon DO. So instead of AP upon DQ, I wrote here AO upon. Hence, you proved now area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC equal to, you proved now? Understood this theorem? Students, you prepare once, twice at a home. Without seeing this, you try once again at home. Understood, students? So, students, next problem. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. Any two similar triangles. They are given. These two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. A, B, C and D, E, F. These two triangles are similar. They given. E is equal to the square of the ratios of the corresponding median. Median means from the vertex, that is drawn one line. So this is midpoint. So this is median. So AL. So this is M. Median. So this is median. Square of the median. The ratio square of the median. So what are they given? What are they given here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle, these two triangles are similar. When these two triangles are similar, therefore AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. Prove this. When these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in ratio, same ratio. So this is given. So what can you prove here? To prove, what can you prove here? So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to square of the ratio of the square of the medians, means AL square divided by DM square. AL square divided by DM square. We have to do this. Some construction. What is that construction? Draw AL perpendicular to BC. AL perpendicular to DC and DM perpendicular to EF. DM perpendicular to EF. This is construction. How can you prove here this one? How can you prove this? See, that is proof. It is very easy. So, in a triangle ABL and triangle DEM. In triangle ABL and DEM. In these two triangles, angle ABL equal to angle DEM. This is only given. This angle and this angle, when these two triangles are similar, these two angles are equal. This is they are given. They only given. Angle ALB equal to angle DME equal to 90 degree by construction. This is 90 degree because of by construction. So therefore triangle ABL is similar to triangle DEM because of AA criteria. Because of AA criteria. When these two triangles are similar, therefore AB upon DE equal to AL upon DM. AL upon DM. Okay, because of you prove this. So when AB upon DE, so they only given AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF. Instead of this, so I'll write BC upon EF BC upon EF equal to AL upon DM. Why I wrote here BC upon EF? Understood? Because of given AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF given. Yep, this is given. They only given. So this is 1. This is 1. Then, therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to, you know that formula, 1/2 into base means BC into height means AL. Height means AL divided by 1/2 EF. Base is EF. Height is DM. Height is DM. This is base and this is height. So half get cancelled. Is equal to BC upon EF into AL upon DM. AL upon DM. You only proved here from 1. BC upon EF is equal to AL upon DM. Instead of BC upon EF, I will write AL upon EF into AL upon DM. Therefore, AL square divided by, I'll write here this. So, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AL into AL square divided by EF into, I wrote here AL upon DM. AL upon DM. AL square and DM. You proved now? You proved now this example? So students, already you learn 4-5 examples. No, remaining examples you only try. Students, you already learn 3 or 4 examples. So remaining examples you try at home. So now I'll teach another one, next one theorem, that is 2.7. What is that? If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle, this is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. So if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle, whole triangle, and each other. What is the meaning of this? If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle, this is right angle. You draw perpendicular to the hypotenuse A, B, C. Here AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. AB and BC other two sides of a right angle. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle. So this is a vertex of the right angle. So you drawn one perpendicular from the vertex to the hypotenuse. Then to the hypotenuse. Then triangles on the both sides of the perpendicular. So this is triangle. The triangles, this one ABD and BDC, two triangles. How many triangles? ABD and CBD. These two triangles on the other two, means both the sides of a perpendicular. Both the sides of a perpendicular are similar. These two also similar. These two are similar to the whole triangle. These two are the similar to the whole. Means how can you write this? See, observe here. So first triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBD, and these two similar are similar to whole triangle. Means triangle ABD similar to triangle, right triangle. These are all so right triangle. Right triangle. This is also right triangle. This is ABC. So triangle CBD similar to triangle ABC. So observe here, these two triangles ABD is similar to ABC triangle and CBD is similar to ABC triangle. This is theorem number 2.7. This is theorem number 2.7. So what is that? If perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on the both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle, whole right angle triangle. Understood now, students? So next, very important theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. This is very important. Shall I go to in the next class? Up to here you learn this, so I will teach you in the next class. Understood, students? So 2.4 compulsory you must solve in a prayer book neatly. If you have any doubt, you ask me. So all the examples you solve very nicely and neatly in your prayer book. Understood, students? Okay.